Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. When we put s approach to number 0 cone here, and here, we have ln number 1 that is about 0. Sine of 0 we have 0. 1 minus e to the power of number 0 that is about number 1. 1 minus 1 we have 0. So we can use about L hospital. That means we need to do first derivative on numerator and denominator. So for the first one in here, we have 2 ln of 1 plus s over 1 plus s. The next one that is about number 2 sine s cosine s. This one we will have about negative number 2s e to the power of negative s square, because first derivative of e to the power of negative s square we keep the same. First derivative of negative s square we have negative 2s, but we have another negative with negative, that's why we have the positive 2s. Now we divide by 2. Next, when s approach to number 0 cone here, and here, we still about 0 over 0, so we continue using L hospital. So first derivative of this one we will have like this. We apply about the quotient rule of derivative. This one we apply the product rule of derivative. Because we have the negative sign, that's why we have the negative and negative in here. This one we applied the product rule of derivative. First derivative of this one we have 1 over 1 plus s. This one we have number 1. This one we have cosine s. This one we have negative sine s, so we have positive. And this one we have number 1. This one we have negative 2s, so we put about 2s square e to the power of negative s square. Now we need to simplify. 1 plus s, 1 plus s, we simplify and we have number 1. Now we can put number 0 cone here, and here. So we will have the final answer. We know that Ln number 1 we got 0. This one we got 0. But this one we have number 1. 1 minus 1 you got about 0. This one 0. This one number 1. So we have 0 over number 1 and we have 0. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.